Okay, here we are. Tuza,
Yeah.
what
Hello?
have you got to show us today?
Today homemade mung bean sprout.
Mung Bean Sprouts. So this is super duper easy way of getting nutrient packed beans in. So talk us through it. How are we going to do this? Because these are the dried beans right now.
That's a dry bean, but just water, yeah? No hot, no cold. You pour one bowl like that.
Room temperature?
Yeah. That's why you pour a little bit more water, full, like that. You pour how much water? I know checking. But maybe I think he just will count the whole. You pour that fine, no problem.
So the important thing is just to cover the beans. We don't need to measure it.
Yeah.
We just want to cover.
Yeah.
Okay, so the reason why we want to soak these is it's going to loosen, we've just lost it, loosen that outer membrane, which is going to allow for them to sprout. So soaking them also is going to remove that phytic acid as well. So phytic acid, as we all well know, is going to inhibit some of the absorption of those nutrients. So removing that, we're going to get all that goodness from the sprout. So excellent. Step one.
Yeah.
Super easy.
Super easy.
All right, Tuza, so we'll take this up again and we will... Okay, Tuza, here we are again. So just a recap with our sprouts. These have been soaked. This is what they looked like before we soaked them with the water. This is what they look like now overnight. So you can see that they have expanded a bit and that outer membrane starting to loosen up.
Soft, yeah.
So what else?
We need to take our water.
Okay. So we're just draining out the water. Super simple. Can't really get too much easier than that. Straining that all off.
No, it's okay. We need a little bit of water.
So just cover it a bit, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Only. Not so much.
You just want to rinse it off. There's any debris.
Okay, this one. You want to come here. That's you usually maybe kitchen paper or wet towel.
Or a wet towel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, that's why this spout you put the hole here.
So just putting the rinsed beans on that. Now, is that paper towel wet? No, that's dry.
Wet.
Okay.
Like that.
Yep.
Sometimes you cannot put this one paper. That's okay, but make it you know put paper. You make it boil like that. But this one come out.
Just to catch the water, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. So that was originally 1 cup of the beans. They have
So much
plumped up a lot, haven't they?
Make it whole just only hot cut. That's perfect. Okay, let's put the whole. So a little bit water. Okay. Okay, this one I make it already. Yeah. This one wet towel.
Yeah? So already a dampened cloth and you're just resting that on top.
This spout like that's that break.
To breathe.
That's why you make it close something, maybe plastic bag, maybe rubber bag, something you close. That's it.
Okay, so just to cover it so nothing falls on top.
Yeah, but this morning, one time you put a little bit water, squirt water, maybe towel, you make it washy towel, and then you make it again.
Okay, so you need to keep it damp, is that it? So you can rinse it or just splash some water on top to it. Okay.
That's it.
Good job.
Yeah. Finish.
Day 2. So
Yeah,
we'll come
day
back and let you know how that looks tomorrow. Beautiful. Thanks, Tamara. Here she is. Okay, Tuza, so tell me, what day are we now?
Day 3.
Day 3 of sprouts. So let's just recap what we did. So if we remember that red cloth that you've just pulled off was the one that you were flicking water onto.
Yeah,
Ooh,
looking a little
look at
bit.
them.
But that's not a lot, But sometimes you make it so many baskets like that.
Yep.
More better. But that's
What do you mean so many baskets?
Yeah, but that's why a lot big spout. But we will be out like that.
The thing is, though, the more you have, the more you have to. You have to find a storage space for it. So even if
That's why here, look here, you wash it a little bit.
But hang on. What were they?
No, peanut, this one.
Just the outside?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're just rinsing
Now,
that cloth that you
little
had.
bit you take out. Not so much, yeah? Yeah, a little bit wet.
So a
Okay.
damp cloth again.
Yeah,
And then
you close again. But look, tomorrow
That's it.
again, that's it.
day 3.
Yeah,
Gosh.
that's it.
Fantastic. So just, if you can mind just lifting up that basket, Teresa, and show us what...
This, looky.
Yeah. They got little
Yeah.
tails.
Day 3.
All right, so what's underneath that basket, Teresa?
No, that's why you looky, sometimes that's why a lot be spout, yeah? But you no shell, take out, no shell, but that's why you very small. But that's why I think maybe a little bit take out, separate basket. That's why maybe a little bit more
because they're going to grow.
longer, yeah.
Understood. Okay,
Yeah.
so what is underneath that basket? So if you lift up the
Yeah.
green basket, if you lift
No,
it up,
anything. But what about you need? But
so
basket,
that's just
yeah.
to cat. Oh, look, we've got some of
Yeah,
the snackies
basket come
coming.
out like that. More here, more a little bit longer.
But
This one
that's
more.
not today. That will
Yeah.
be. We expect that to happen
Yeah.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
All right, which will be day 4. So that was just day
4,
3.
Day 3. Maybe tomorrow day 4. That's okay.
Okay, so Teresa, thank you. Super duper easy. We love that one. We like it easy.
Yeah.
Here we are, Teresa. So day 4. So we've got the cloth on top, still a bit damp because you've been wetting it. Ooh, look at these guys. So nice and long they are now, those sprouties. So what,
Huh?
so are these ready? Or do we need more time?
No, you
They look-
need that tight, you need ready. That's okay, but you need more.
Let's
This
just
one.
have a look at these. Yeah, these are looking
You
really
need more,
good.
a little bit longer.
I don't think so. So I think I'd be happy with this length, but I guess obviously what you're suggesting is you could do it for another day if you wanted.
Yeah. That's why you need now, but that's okay. Now you clean.
You see they've come through the
Yeah.
sides of the bowl.
But this one is longer.
Okay, so you've still got the paper towel underneath that
Yeah.
you started with, so I guess just moving it into
Yeah.
another bowl. Doink.
You take out like that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, look more. Beautiful. So going from a small little, humble little mung bean, we've sprouted them, so we've upped the nutrient density of these.
You
little
need a
guys.
bit more longer, but you make it for the 5 day. It's 5, 6 day. That's a little bit long.
Would you do longer?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like them long.
No.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. This one you pour water.
All right, so just rinse those off so if there's any
Yeah. This one.
green.
I take out this green pink gray one.
You take the green
Yeah.
shell off?
Yeah. This one take out.
Okay.
That's why I wash it.
But if you go and cook them, you could just throw them in anyways.
Yeah.
Yeah? Rather than wasting.
This one. See light. Okay. Okay. But sometimes here have paper like that.
Oh yeah, clearly. Remove the paper.
Okay.
Doing that. Extra roughage.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So we've gone from step by step. This took 4 days to get to this stage, and these are ready to be consumed. We can throw them into salads. Teresa, what do you put them in? You put them in your pad thai.
Yeah. Pad Thai rice paper.
You can put them on.
You like everything you put. Okay.
Yeah, these are super nice. And putting them into salads gives it
Yeah.
a nice crunch as well. Perfect.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.